In a sunlit home office, Alex, the budget boss, wields a pen with unwavering determination to craft a meticulous budget. Bathed in sunlight and fueled by upbeat music, Alex exudes confidence as they take control of their financial destiny. In the trendy cafe, Alex is caught in the grip of indecision as they peruse the menu, their face etched with a mix of desire and financial worry. The stark reality of a dwindling balance glares back from their budget app, casting a shadow over their fleeting moment of whimsy. In a moment of impulsive justification, Alex whispers to themselves, "One coffee won't hurt, right?" Bathed in the ethereal glow of a computer screen, Alex surrenders to the allure of online temptation. Designer bags, sleek gadgets, and high-end shoes parade before their eyes, each click punctuated by the triumphant cha-ching of a cash register. As the virtual treasures accumulate, Alex whispers, with the playful innocence, "Just one more thing. Okay, maybe one more. What's a budget again?" Alex stares wide-eyed at the overflowing shopping cart, the weight of financial reality crashing down. As the comedic wah-wah echoes, Alex sighs, offering a knowing glance that encapsulates their resigned acceptance of impending budget cuts. The narrator reveals Alex's thoughts. "Well, guess I'll have to cut back on something else."